If you're a videographer or filmmaker, the smartphone gimbal combo is an efficient, lightweight, and cost-effective method for capturing smooth footage. In this video, I'll share 10 smartphone gimbal tips that will instantly elevate your footage. Hey everyone, this is Joe from Video FX, and today we're discussing the smartphone gimbal combo and how you can instantly enhance your footage with just a few simple tips. For this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 12 Pro Max and a DJI OM5. Let's dive into the tips. Tip number 1, assemble the gimbal. Attach the smartphone holder to the gimbal and then connect the gimbal to the magnetic clamp or the phone clamp. Balance the phone horizontally and place your smartphone in the holder, ensuring it's centered and secure. Check if the phone tilts to one side or the other. If it does, then slide the phone left or right in the clamp until it stays level on its own. Balance the phone vertically with the phone mounted. Adjust the vertical position of the smartphone holder. If the phone tilts forward or backward, slide the holder up or down on the gimbal, or until it stays level on its own. Tip number 2, use a wide-angle lens on your phone. Utilizing a wide-angle lens for video on your iPhone enhances the immersive experience by capturing a broader field of view. This allows you to include more of the scene or environment, making your videos more engaging and dynamic for the viewer. A wide-angle lens is particularly useful if you're vlogging, travel, events, video, or where you convey the atmosphere and context of your surroundings. Additionally, it can help you with stabilization by reducing the appearance of camera shake, resulting in smoother footage. Just remember to be mindful of potential distortion and adjust your shooting technique and composition accordingly. Tip number 3, learn the ninja walk. The ninja walk is a filming technique that minimizes camera shake, providing smoother and steadier footage. It enhances the viewing experience and delivers professional results. It can be applied to various cameras and setups. Mastering the ninja walk is a valuable skill for filmmakers and videographers. Tip number 4, use 2 hands to hold your gimbal. Holding a gimbal with 2 hands while filming is important because it provides greater stability and control, resulting in a smoother and more professional looking footage and minimizing the risk of accidental camera movement. Tip number 5, focus on your screen. By monitoring your screen, you can make sure that your subject is correctly positioned within the frame and follows the rule of thirds or other composition guidelines. This results in a more visually appealing and impactful footage. By continuously watching your screen, you can quickly react to unexpected changes in the scene or environment, such as lighting shifts or new elements entering the frame. This enables you to adapt your shooting technique on the fly and maintain high quality footage. Tip number 6, locking exposure. Locking exposure ensures that the brightness of your video remains consistent throughout a shot, avoiding sudden changes in brightness that can be jarring and unprofessional, and it prevents auto adjustments. Phones typically use auto exposure to adjust the exposure based on the scene's lighting conditions. By locking exposure, you prevent the camera from making unwanted adjustments that can result in overexposed or underexposed areas. By manually setting and locking the exposure, you have greater control over your video's final look. This allows you to maintain a constant aesthetic or mood that you're looking for throughout your footage. Tip number 7, maintain consistent movement. Maintaining steady camera movement contributes to a polished and professional look, setting your work apart from amateur videos with shaky and erratic motion. Consistency and movement makes the editing process smoother, as shots with similar pacing and motion can be more easily matched and combined, creating a cohesive final product. Tip number 8, you don't always need to walk when using a gimbal. Gimbals ensure smooth panning and tilting motions, allowing you to capture professional looking shots while remaining stationary. Gimbals make it easier to capture a low angle or high angle shot by maintaining stability and control while you position the camera. Tip number 9, using grids to improve framing. By dividing your frame into a 3x3 grid, you can position your subject or key elements along the grid lines or at the intersections, leading to a more balanced and engaging composition. Grids help you achieve symmetry and balance in your shots, ensuring the different elements within the frame contribute to harmonious composition. Tip number 10, shoot in slow motion. Slow motion can highlight subtle movements or details that might be missed at regular speed, allowing viewers to appreciate the intricacies and beauty of the scene. Slow motion can amplify emotions or create a sense of drama, making making a scene more engaging and impactful, it can be an effective storytelling tool when used strategically. I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like to learn more about video production and smartphone gimbals, check out my other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.